Hey, welcome back! For this project, I went ahead and cleaned my glass vase with alcohol before I put it on this tumbler turner that I purchased on Amazon.com. I also found these temporary tattoos on Amazon, and I'll link all the products that I'm using in the description so you can try this project yourself. Temporary tattoos are so much fun and easy to apply. It's important to make sure your surface is clean, that you use plenty of water, and that you slide the paper from the tattoo. Don't pull it off. When you pull the paper off, like I did with this butterfly, you risk the tattoo peeling and cracking and tearing. I am going to go ahead and finish applying all the tattoos in a random order around this vase. I am loving the idea of a mixture of the flowers and the butterflies. It looks like spring. I added a towel inside my vase to help me see better as I was applying the tattoos. If you have problems applying the tattoos on the curved parts, clip the edges of the tattoo paper with scissors, and it should help you place the tattoo easier around the curved areas. I decided I didn't like how this tattoo applied. I messed up and it tore. I went ahead and peeled it off, and now I'm going to get some rubbing alcohol, spray it on a sponge, and just clean the glass surface as best as I can. This did take a little bit of time because the glitter tattoos are super sticky and adhere very well. Once I got that area cleaned and dry, I found another tattoo that would fit, and it applied beautifully. It looks like I have an open area right below it, so I added a small sunflower tattoo. I am making sure I'm using a lot of water and that the paper is going to slide right off. Now that I have all my tattoos applied, I am making sure that all the water has dried. Remember, resin and water do not mix. I am using Art Resin resin, and I'm adding some glitz glitter from the Recollections collection at Michael's Arts and Crafts. I mixed up 2 ounces, and now I'm applying it with my finger on a gloved hand. Just go up and down, but being very careful when gliding over the tattoos. I don't want to peel up those designs. Don't forget the bottom of the vase and the top edge. Make sure there's resin in those areas as well. I went ahead and decided to add a little bit of the resin on the very inside rim of the vase because the resin has glitter in it. I thought this would add just a little more sparkle up there. Once my resin is applied, I will take a heat gun to warm up the resin and to help pop any air bubbles. Here is a close-up of the vase. Isn't it sparkly pretty? I'm gonna cover it, let it turn on the turner for about 12 hours, and then check to make sure it is cured. In the comment box below this video, let me know what you think of this project. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.